Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by gathering essential context and taking immediate action. Check browser, device, and OS versions, and note active extensions. This tells you what variables might cause issues. Once done, clear cache and cookies and open a private window to see if the problem persists. This rules out stored state. If it still fails, disable extensions one at a time and reload. Meanwhile, open the developer console to capture any error messages or failed network requests for the next steps. Now you'll diagnose the root cause using targeted checks. Open developer tools and read console errors and network responses. 4XX or 5XX codes point to server or request problems, while stack traces show client issues. Reproduce the bug with the fewest steps possible and test on another browser or device to separate environment from code. If the issue started after a deploy or a feature flag change, roll back or disable that change immediately, then retest to confirm the repair. Finish by applying your validated fix and verifying it broadly. Deploy the hotfix or patch, then clear caches and confirm consistent behavior across browsers and devices so users see the repair. Make sure to document the root cause, exact steps you took, and preventive measures to avoid recurrence. If the issue persists, collect detailed logs, network traces, screenshots, and precise reproduction steps. Then escalate to developers or the support team with that evidence. This speeds resolution and avoids repeating work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.